This is a cross between a gazpacho, which is a Spanish tomato soup, and a Bloody Mary. I'm going to speed the whole process up in a juicer. So we've got some celery here, and we'll just cut that into chunks. Some tomatoes, and you really want to use ripe tomatoes for this. The riper, the better. So we'll cut that into quarters. And the best thing about using a juicer is it's going to catch and strain all of the little bits and pieces we want, just like the little threads that come off the celery. Finally, some cucumber, refreshing cucumber for this. Okay, we'll place all these vegetables to the side. I've got a jug, we'll just place that under the juicer. I'm also going to add some roast capsicum. So these are just jarred capsicum. This is going to give it a really lovely Spanish-like flavour. There we have it, pure juice. All the pulp is left behind in the container. Now this is delicious as is, but we want to give it a big kick so it tastes like that authentic gazpacho. So I'm going to add some vinegar. I've got sherry vinegar. You could also use apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar. To this we'll add a good pinch of salt, some freshly cracked pepper. And to give it some extra kick, I love the addition of Tabasco. So we'll add a few drops of that. I want mine to be a little fiery. All right, next we're going to give that a really good stir. And there's a little bit of foam on the top. If you want it to look super, super pure, you can just take that off, but I actually don't mind. Now, the most important thing is we need to taste it just to make sure it's seasoned adequately. Wow, that is so delicious. Now I've got these stunning glasses. I'm going to carefully pour our gazpacho soup into our glasses. And to dress this, I like to add a good glug of olive oil. Use a good quality olive oil for this. Drizzle that over the top. Some freshly cracked pepper so we can see that on the top. And you could use croutons. I have these gorgeous grissini, and just to make it look really striking, we'll just place them on the top. And wow, you've got a beautiful refined flavour because we've put all of our vegetables through the juicer. For summer, try this, super refreshing. And it's interesting, it's a little bit different, a little bit Spanish.